once again to my channel. We could see how to update your Visual Studio 2022 latest from the previous release. Before start, I request you to subscribe my channel. First open the Visual Studio 2022 preview. I'm using a community edition. Go to help and click check for update button. A pop-up will be appeared which contain your present Visual Studio version and details. Then click update button. The latest file will be downloaded from the web and installed in your machine. I just clicked. It will take a while. We could have a look on the new features in Visual Studio 2022. The new Visual Studio is 64-bit development platform. It's big change in the Visual Studio side, but still you could develop 32-bit applications. In this changes enable you to do find files 3 times faster than before. Multi-repo support is enabled with JIT in the IDE. IntelliCode improvement has been implemented with AI support. It could make your code easier and better than before. Hot Reloader feature has been introduced for Razer, C#, C++ in all the platforms. Microsoft updated font, icons and more. You will get new look and feel with Visual Studio. Microsoft enhanced the debugging model in the Visual Studio. The attachment process has been changed. A new type of breakpoint called dependent breakpoint, which allow developers to configure the breakpoint to be enabled only if another breakpoint is first hit. Temporary breakpoint has been introduced in the Visual Studio, so you could try your new Visual Studio and share your thoughts and comments. The installation almost completed. Let's check. Yeah, updated. Now you could click the link to see the release notes. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.